Hi, welcome to Hostcast Gesture Hospitality Podcast. I am Kripa Joshi and I am back with my latest podcast on tourism. To understand the hotel industry's roots and growth, we need to acknowledge its two pillars, the hospitality industry and the tourism industry. We already talked about hospitality industry. Now let's get started with tourism industry. You might be having question that what is tourism? Is tourism count as an industry or not? Therefore, I would love to introduce you that tourism is one of the world's fastest growing industries and a major source of foreign exchange and employment generation for many countries. This is considered one of the most prominent economic and social phenomena of the past decades. Before we go through the specifics of the hospitality industry's development, let's look back and try to understand its roots. That is to say, why people travel or understand tourism. Let's understand what this concept means. The word tour is derived from the Latin word turnus, meaning tool for circle formation. Tourism can be characterized as the movement of people for the sole purpose of leisure and pleasure from their usual place of residence to another place for a minimum duration of 24 hours to a maximum of 6 months. The Rome Conference on Tourism in 1963 described tourism as a visit to a country other than one's own or where one normally resides and works. However, this concept did not take into account domestic tourism, which has become a significant money spinner and job creator for the hospitality industry. The UNWTO defined tourists as people who travel to and stay in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for leisure, business, and other purposes not related to the exercise of an activity remunerated from within the place visited. Tourism industry's scale and composition composed of highly fragmented and diverse components. The tourism industry consists of various components such as tour operators, travel agencies, accommodation providers, airlines, tourism associations, and consultancies. It is a series of different industries with a varied operating reach, mainly targeting revenue generated from tourism. A careful planning and execution is important for any country's economic growth. The need for strategic growth is vitally relevant in the tourism sector. It includes multiple companies working together in a dynamic manner, which requires specific attention. Planning basically aims to distribute limited resources between different competitors with a view to optimizing production, revenue, and jobs, and ensuring equal growth for different sectors. Tourism planning is a process by which the goals set can be accomplished and the different choices that are related to the growth of tourism can be discussed. The cycle of planning, updating, and developing a tourist destination is a long-term and a continuous one. Communities are the cornerstone of tourism. This also depends on the travel of support local societies have provided. The participation is important in the planning process. Government participation in tourism planning is vitally necessary. Government and private sectors play a very important role in tourism planning. It encourages the launch of regulatory environments for business operatings by providing services, educational criteria, and participants in the promotion and marketing of tourism products like Incredible India, Gujarat Tourism, Kingdom of Dreams, Goa Tourism, and many other campaigns domestically in India. Tourism growth has an influence on the host community's climate, socio-culture, and economy at any destination. These impacts have both negative and positive consequences. Planning is important for reducing the negative impact and improving a destination's positive effect on sustainable growth. So let's talk about economic impact on tourism. The domestic economies are supported by tourism and are considered to be a means of trade. The economic effects can be measured at three different levels: directly, indirectly, and induced. Direct effect is the amount of tourist spending after deducting the imports that were required to provide the service. The companies that collect the tourist expenditure directly invested on other sectors such as sanitation, electricity, etc. to provide the services. The economic activity generation from these frequent rounds of expenditure is called the indirect effect. The money that the community gained from tourism in the form of jobs, wages, etc. is respent in the economy is called an induced effect. The positive economic impact of tourism is assessed by considering all three levels of impacts. Owing to seasonality, tourism also causes negative economic impact including jobs. So now let's talk about environmental impact. Tourism industry is environmentally dependent. If a destination isn't environmentally attractive, there is a little scope for tourism to flourish. The positive impact of tourism on environment includes preservation of ancient monuments, sites, and historic buildings, creation of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, safeguarding of reefs and beaches, and maintenance of forests. The negative impact are waste disposal, water pollution, deforestation, etc. Now let's talk about socio-culture impact on tourism. The way tourism brings about improvements in the local community's belief system, behavior, lifestyle, and quality of life can be called socio-cultural impact. Tourism's major positive impact on society includes job creation, the revival of poor and non-industrialized areas, as well as the revitalization of local arts and crafts. Tourism has negative impacts such as prostitution, violence, lack of culture. Strategic planning is highly important because it helps to handle emergencies. This aims to strengthen the positive impacts and to minimize the negative effects. The study underlines the value of planning by offering sustainable tourism approaches. Now let's conclude today's topic by looking at tourism as a perspective of life. This life is a tour of the earth. Wherever you go with your all heart. We'll see you guys in my next episode, which is last episode of this season, with industries related to tourism. Thank you.